Hi everyone! Now who doesn't want to have healthy and great looking hair? Want to know the secret of my super hair? Well, it's the superfood almonds. Almonds are a rich source of vitamin E, dietary fiber, proteins, lots of minerals and healthy fats. Almonds have been proven useful in improving the overall quality of the hair. They strengthen your strands and moisturizes your scalp. I love being a part of this beauty glam world, but my job makes sure that I'm always on my toes. Like my hair, it has to be perfect all the time, and therefore I always have to take extra care of them. I have always trusted and used this Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil in my hair care routine. I take a few drops of this hair oil and apply it thoroughly on my scalp and length. It has a non-sticky formula and is suitable for all hair types. With regular usage, you are going to see a definite reduction in the hair fall and an overall improvement in the quality of your hair. Honestly speaking, I only trust the Bajaj Almond Drops hair oil because it gives me smooth, shiny and easy to manage hair. The big secret is revealed, guys. What are you waiting for? Go and get this superfood for super hair so that you can flaunt them all the time.